और am I audible?
Yes.
तो एक जजमेंट के ऊपर ही एक शेर ध्यान आता है कि उम्र जाया कर दी लोगों ने, उम्र जाया कर दी लोगों ने, औरों के वजूद में नुक्स निकालते निकालते। उम्र जाया कर दी लोगों ने, औरों के वजूद में नुक्स निकालते निकालते। इतना ही खुद को तराशा होता तो फरिश्ते बन जाते।
Wow. I mean, can there be a better way of starting empowering morning conversations? So, Kuldeep ji, thank you very much. And thank you very much for everyone for being there early in the morning today to join us for empowering morning.
Morning conversation.
So, today, this message, if you've listened to it and understood it, is very so simple, isn't it? That here we are and we are living our life, right? Is there anybody who doesn't want to live a full life? No. We all would love to have a full life. And we get so upset that when we are sick in bed and then we feel, oh, I'm not living. Let me get back to living properly. But what is this living properly that we call living properly? Right? If most of our time is spent in judging and classifying every experience that we are experiencing in life, we are busy judging and classifying it. Are we actually living it? When we are comparing this experience with an earlier experience, are we experiencing this experience completely? We go with great hopes to our favorite restaurant and we order something which we love to eat over there. And when that thing comes in front of us, instead of enjoying it, we are busy comparing with the last time we ate over there and say, no, that time, it was much tastier. This time, I think the chef is not in a good mood. All right. Now, maybe he made something better than before. And maybe what he's given to you is the best that he ever made. But because you're comparing it with what you ate before, you miss out on what is there right in you right now. And that's what a lot of us are doing in life, isn't it? So, one of the main purposes of empowering morning conversations, my friend, is to allow us to live our life fully and to allow us to have a life of ease and joy and glory. And that won't happen if you're busy comparing and judging. Because when we are comparing and judging, then you're always getting something which is not there in your mind. Right? So it reminds me of a poem which I'm so fond of telling everybody. As a rule, man is a fool. When it's hot, he wants it cool. As a rule, man is a fool. When it's hot, he wants it cool. And when it's cool, he wants it hot. Always wanting what is not. Always wanting what is not. Check in your life. Isn't that what we are doing most of the time? So this is what happens when we fall into the trap of our default mode. What is the default mode? Default mode is our programmed mode. That is what we are most of the time. It's very recognizable. You look at yourself and say, I am Nitin. So how does Nitin know that he's Nitin? How does Gautam know that he's Gautam? How does Sagar know that he's Sagar? How does Mansi know that she's Mansi? When you get up in the morning, you recognize yourself, right? So how do you do that? Have you ever thought about it? How do I know that it's me that woke up in the morning? You could wake up this morning in the morning and you be a completely different person. But are you that? But you always remember, recognize yourself. I am still Mansi. I am still Gautam. I am still Retriever. I am still Nitin. So even forget about how you recognize others. So how do you know in the morning? I'm really asking you this question, that when you get up in the morning, how do you know it's you? Go ahead, Gautam. Your mic is unmuted, so you might as well tell us, how do you know it's you?
That is my question. But when I get up in the morning, that is, I realize I'm in the same bed, I'm in the same room or same place. So it is also.
It must be me. Oh, I'm able to recognize this room. Oh, yeah. I'm able to recognize my bed, so it must be me. Interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
What else makes you know that you are you? But you tell me, if you woke up suddenly in the middle of the night, quietly your children took you and put you in a bed in a 5-star hotel, and you woke up next morning, would you not recognize yourself that it is you? You'll say, okay, oh, where am I? This is the new place. But you'll still know that it's you, isn't it?
Yes.
How would you know that it's you? We've never really thought about it, right? Difficult one to think about.
Yeah, I'm thinking, really. Oh.
Sir, it may be because conscious awareness.
Yeah, I know. Conscious awareness is conscious awareness. Na? How do you know that that awareness is you?
I've identified myself with myself.
Yeah, how? What do you look at to identify yourself?
It's my body, sir.
Oh, so how do you know it's your body? Because it's familiar to you, right?
Yeah.
So how is it familiar to you?
I've been seeing it every day.
Exactly. And when you see it every day, what are you remembering about it? See, if somebody wipes out your memories, will you be you?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Due to it's because of our memories.
Okay, that is all storage, right?
Yes, actually, when we are going to bed, actually it's death. We are actually dying.
Yeah.
And
So
when we wake up in the morning, we are again downloaded by all the information which is stored inside our subconscious mind. God actually gives us, okay, we call it God or a greater force or anything you want to say. He actually gives us the knowledge, the whatever we need to survive, our memories. And then it's like we are living again. Once again, we are living. Every night we are going through this process.
true. So what very interesting thing Manasi has said. Wow, Manasi, thank you very much. Bole to kya bole, fantastic.
Yes.
What a great gift you have given to everybody. Huh?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Wow, that's the second gift you've given to him.
So many gifts.
I know. उसको देख के हमारा गाना याद आ गया. ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा. क्या बात है. So interesting, isn't it? So if somebody took away your memories from you, you would not be you. You will still be you, but without your memories, no? Hello. What is this background noise? Mute your mic, please. Hello. Answer the question. Today we have, what's her name? Suchitra in disguise as usual. Suchitra, how do you know it's you? I really want you to think about it, because when you look at you and when you look at what you remember about you, what do you think you're remembering? Your default mode. You're remembering that this is the way I am and this is the way I'm supposed to be. Right? You remember all the things that you're supposed to be, right? So you become that. So who you are is what? The one which you recognize is going to allow you to create your life. See, whatever that, Mansi really actually said a very profound thing, that the only thing which makes you know that you are you is all the data bank of your memories and experiences that are stored in you, and you get up in the morning and say, हाँ, आज भी वही complaints आ रही है. What is on top of your mind? At that moment when you wake up, are you trying to recall your memories? The only thing you recall is, oh, I'm in the same bed. Oh, looks like the same body. It feels the same. It feels the same as what? So just imagine Gopalji, now they are coming out. Somebody said they are doing some research. They can take all 100% of your memories, right? With all the sensations, tactile, olfactory, sensations, blah, everything. And they can download it into another body, right? Now you have an absolutely new body. You say, what is this? This is a very unfamiliar body. I'm not used to it. Where is this extra spring and in my, you'll get up and you try to walk, you'll probably fall down. Because you're not used to the new body. Like a baby, when he's born into a body, he doesn't know the body, right? He's trying to figure out fingers, hands, how do they move. That's why he keeps doing things like, moving his hands and legs and all the time doing cycling. So how do you know it's you? And what's the problem being you? Hello. Suchitra, good morning.
सुचित्रा नहीं आई है सर आज.
आई है वो कुछ टी ड्रिंक ट्रुंक नाम से आई है ना. आज नैन भी नहीं आए हैं.
जी मैं लेट से. सॉरी.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर, कैसे हैं आप?
I came late, sir. My apology.
Apologies, okay, very good. There's one funny fellow on the Kapil Sharma show. He always says apology. So how do you know it's you?
Abhinav is asking what is the question.
So you tell him, na?
I'm also asking.
So Vetrivel, tell them what the question is.
Actually, I'm also thinking about the question, sir. The question is...
Tell them, if you're thinking about the question, you will know the question, no?
When you wake up, you identify yourself and you assume that you identified yourself. How did you do that? How did you find that?
How do you know it's you?
How do you know it is you?
When you get up in the morning, you know it's you, no? How do you know it's you?
On a lighter note, sir, I'll have to drop this headset and I'll have to walk on the street, seeing the sky, thinking about this question.
Why?
How do I know it's me?
Yeah, exactly. How do you know that?
For Vetri, it is easy. He will just put his hand on the head.
According to the science, your whole body or the cells are dying and getting reborn. They are not the same cells which were there 5 minutes ago. Okay, so your body is not the same. Uska punarjanam hota rehta hai.
Yeah, that's true.
Right. So if your body is not the same, right, then how do you know it's you? So Mansi was sharing that we get up in the morning, we know it's us because our memories are coming back to us and we know, oh, this is me. So my memories make me me. So a lot of stuff comes along with those memories, right? Yes, Abhinav ji, good morning. Today you are wearing surgical mask. Are you in a hospital?
No. I'm on a way to an early meeting.
Acha, because you got that hospital wala mask.
This is very comfortable, made of good clothes.
All right. So you wanted to say something?
Yes. So when we get up in the morning, it is first of all, though you are absolutely right that every second, every cell of our body dies and a new cell emerges. So how do we know that we are we? Because you sleep at a familiar surrounding, same house, same bed, same everything. And when you get up in the morning, everything is the same. Imagine you get up in the morning, you're in a different picture में होता है ना, वो कहानियों में होता है, you get up
Exactly.
in
We
the
were
morning.
talking about that before you joined.
आप या तो महल में उठे या किसी झोपड़ी में उठे, and
फिर
some
आप
other
will
body,
you.
then you will say कि I'm not me.
Will you say you are not me?
हाँ,
You still be you. You will know that. You
You
will
will
say
know
अरे
that,
ये
हाँ.
मैं कहाँ आ गया?
ये मेरी बॉडी को क्या हो गया?
नहीं, आप बोलो ये मैं कहाँ आ गया? तो ये मैं कौन है? How do you know who the मैं is? That is the question. You think about it.
Okay.
So maybe the मैं जिसको आप मैं बोलते हो, it's nothing but the memories that you have about yourself and your experiences. So when we are talking about the default mode, what do you think we are talking about? Are you getting it, Kunayan sir? When I say मैं, what do you think we are talking about then?
What is coming to my thought, that sir, when though we sleep, but we as a conscious being are conscious. I am conscious, though my body is at rest, but maybe I'm not active cognitively, but I am there. I'm experiencing the sleep. And when I wake up,
आप जब कंप्यूटर को switch off करते हो, the memory still remains in the RAM and the, in the hard disk. Like that, right?
Right, sir.
Background में processor चालू है, that's what you're saying.
Right, sir.
Yeah, मगर how do you recognize? I mean, processor may be चालू. In the middle of the night, somebody came and replaced your program with somebody else's program. Then will you be Kunayan?
No, if my experience of the sleep of that moment is lost, then I won't be able to recognize. So the experience is there, and that's what I associate that it was me, either during the sleep.
The memory of the experience is there.
Memory of experience, yeah, right, sir.
A four-dimensional memory of, complete memory. Matlab sight, set, touch, feel, everything that happened in that moment is stored inside of you, along with the decisions that you made at that time, along with the beliefs that you made at that time. Everything is there, right? मुझे ऐसा होना चाहिए लाइफ में, सच बोलने वालों को बड़ी तकलीफ होती है, etc., whatever you have. जब तक मैं दिखावा नहीं करूंगा, अगर लोग मेरी असलियत जान जाएंगे, everything that you have that makes you you is the sum total of stored in you. That's all you are, right? But those memories are what? Not hardwired, right? Hardwired आप समझते हो? पुराने टाइम में हार्ड वायरिंग होती थी. Software is software. What is the difference between hard wiring and software?
Software can be replaced, hardware
can be changed and altered, right? But have you noticed that we are living because of this strong identification with the identity, which is nothing but all the memories and everything that you have inherited? जागीर में मिली हुई है ना, कुछ हो सकता है पिछले जन्मों की भी लेके घूम रहे हो. We'll not get into that. But who are you? And whatever you think you are is what you are manifesting in this world, right? Whatever you do, I mean, who you are is nothing but a point of view. And what is your point of view? Accumulated points of view over the years. So that is causing your reality, is it not? So you know, oh, it's me. Right? So that can be, now the question to ask yourself is, the familiar me, the familiar I that I am, right? What are the possibilities for this I? And if I have to create more possibilities, if I have to create life, will I have to remain the me that I've always been? Now that's the most difficult thing for people to change. I cannot stop being me, sir. मैं तो मैं हूँ. मैं अपने आप को कैसे बदल सकता हूँ, sir? So you try to change, but the fundamental software, you just imagine that you are in this world and you are saying that I'm a green monster, green color ka aadmi hu main to. I'm going to change. Now you decide to have purple spots on your body. ठीक है, वो चेंज हो गया, बट यू विल स्टिल रिमेन ग्रीन विद पर्पल स्पॉट्स. नो, यू विल से मुझे बदलना है सर. यू से व्हाट टू डू, इंस्टेड ऑफ पर्पल स्पॉट्स आई विल पुट रेड स्पॉट्स, but will still remain green with red spots, right? So what is staying constant is what? Constant क्या है फिर हमारा? जो हम हैं, जो हम अपने बारे में सोचते हैं, what we are, what we think about ourselves, what we believe, you know, strongly held points of view, etc., etc., etc. All that, which is only a memory in one way. Okay, the decision you made when you are 5 years old, you're still sticking to that decision. We only went on reinforcing it. Every life experience made us again, देखा ऐसा ही होता है, so you reinforced it. So the familiar you, can it be called a culprit? Can it be called the thing which is responsible for your present state of limited beingness on this planet? Think about it. What makes you you also gives you the limitations that you have. What makes you you also makes you deal with everything in the same old way. What makes you you doesn't allow anything dramatically different to arise in your life.
So the question is how to change that.
That's the next question. The first thing which will hit you is that it is possible to change it because it's only memories, no? Can I wipe them clean? No, I can't. See, some of them are indelibly recorded, but we can replace them with other things so that they go into the background and maybe eventually fade away. That's how you might recreate yourself. So many people are afraid to recreate themselves, you know, because it's better to be safe and familiar, no? अरे जो मैं हूं इसको पहचानता तो हूं, मुझे पता है मेरे नुक्स क्या है. Now if I invent something new, God knows what will happen. If I invent myself and become a new person, सारी दुनिया बदल जाएगी मेरी तो. We are very scared of that, right? Let's listen to what Abhinav has to say. Abhinav, you want to say something after that?
Yeah. Listening to you, what I'm getting present to is that, you know, I have a huge memory bank. It's like a bank. Now, most of the times I just pick up all the junk which is lying there. जो मुझे दुखी करने वाला junk है वो मैं उठा लेता हूँ. Something happens and I pick up something from there. But when I'm right now when I'm attending what happens in morning empowering conversation is that I pick up stuff from bank which empowers me. It is like बैंक में सोना भी है और कूड़ा करकट भी है, तो सोना तो उठाते नहीं, कूड़ा करकट उठा लेते. That is what I've been doing. And what this morning empowering conversation does is start picking up gold and the silver. All those learn to pick up, you know, whenever I have to pick up.
Yeah, but then that's very good, Abhinav. At the same time, don't forget one thing. अगर हम, you know, imagine that you are inside a cave, आप गुफा में है, you are in a cave, and there is gold also there, and there is the diamond also there. And there is some kachada also there. And what you're saying, most of the time we are picking up the kachada, not the gold.
Yes.
तो सुबह आके आप थोड़ा gold उठा लेते हो. Yes. I'm saying what will happen when you come out of the gufa, when you come out of the cave. The problem is that we never allow ourselves to get out of the cave.
Absolutely.
Why do we not allow ourselves to come out of the cave? Is the question. I call it a cage. You can call it a cave. What is the difference between a cage and a cave?
केव में अंधेरा रहता है, केज में रोशनी थोड़ी थोड़ी रहती है.
केव में you can come out, केज में you can come out.
हाँ, मतलब केज से भी निकल सकते हैं, बट ज्यादा एफर्ट लगता है. See, that I like the cave analogy because, there is an opening somewhere, you have to find it.
Yes.
And that's what we are trying to do, finding the opening. But if
But
you
sir,
are in
one
a
thing.
cage, somebody will have to come and unlock the cage for you or
Sir,
give
one
you the
thing.
keys. So who's the cage? The interesting thing is we are the cage. We are the cave. We don't want to get out of the gufa because life is frightening out there. Now, can you imagine you've lived in a cave for the whole of your life? Okay. And now somebody is saying, hello, your problem is that you're in a cave. Come out. There's a wonderful world out there. Experience it fully. And your mind says, my God, I've never been out of this cave. What will happen out there? Human beings are very much afraid of uncertainty. You tell me, why are we so frightened of death here? When you die, you will finally come out of the cave, ये तो हमने अपने आप को बंदी बना के रखा. I mean, that's another point of view which you can think about. What we are afraid of is the uncertainty. कि क्या होगा क्या वहां जाके? At least I recognize this world that I'm living. Oh, I recognize my cave. I'm so familiar with my cave. I know the corners and everything. I know वहां पे क्या है, यहाँ पे क्या है. But if I get out of the cave, पता नहीं क्या होगा. So we are afraid to create our life. So it is easy to live in your comfort zone.
What makes you think that there's another world, Is there a catalyst like you who has to come in life?
Well, it so happens that I happen to be there. If I was not there, somebody else would be there.
Exactly.
So if you have to come out of the cave, ultimately coming out is up to you, na? But आप देखो बाहर क्यों नहीं आते हैं? We are afraid to come out. Who's afraid? You are, or I am, right? So it is better to stay in the familiar cave than to get out of it and create something absolutely new. That's why we stay inside it and we keep on cribbing also. You see? If you are enjoying being in the cave and doing bhangra every day and saying, wow, I'm enjoying my cave. Wow, I'm enjoying being me. That's fine. Great. Yeah. Fantastic. But that also we are not doing because somewhere our spirit knows that there's something much bigger, that I'm capable of something greater. Once you have realized it, whether you want to do it or not, that's up to you. That's freedom of choice, right? But suppose you say, no, इस केव में से तो मैं बाहर निकल ही नहीं सकता. बहुत डर लगता है मुझे बाहर निकलने में. A lot of us, our life situations are only like that. I mean, why would you suppose to be in a situation where people are going on bloody, क्या बोलते हैं? You know what people do. Anyways, enough about what I have to say. Now you guys will say what you have to say. Milan ji wants to say something, and Neeti ji had raised her hand quite some time ago. Then she got fed up and put the hand down. तंग होके हाथ ही नीचे कर लिया उन्होंने कि मेरा नंबर नहीं आने वाला है. Yes, Milan ji. Milan ji, are you there? Okay. In the meantime, we can have Neeti ji say what she wanted to say.
Yes, sir. I'm here. In fact, what I wanted to say, you addressed all of this after that. So actually, then I didn't have much thing to say, excepting that you asked this question as to how do I know when I get up in the morning? It's me. So I thought we are programmed that way. It's in the software in my computer says that you are you. And this is how I am programmed, and this is what I follow, and I become this. The moment there is a little problem in the software and all this, then probably there is a disconnect. I don't identify myself. That's what.
Then you do hi. See, if the software is kind of bypassed or wiped out, you won't even recognize, right?
Indeed.
Yeah, can you imagine that you got up in the morning and they have deleted all your limiting beliefs and limiting thoughts and what it is that you cannot do and what will people say and all that nonsense that is stored in your brain. You just got wiped out. How do you think you will be living your life from tomorrow then?
Indeed.
If those thoughts like, oh, I'm old now, I've done everything I wanted to do. I mean, so many things, right? I'm like this and I'm like that. Right? It got wiped out completely. What would happen? Suddenly, ये दुनिया कितनी हसीन है. Would you not be looking at the world with new eyes? The only thing that got changed is not your eyes, for sure. But what got changed is all the filters that were there, right? It's a very daunting thought, right? It came to my mind yesterday because I was watching one movie called what? Bobby Biswas or something like that. And that fellow's lost his memory. So I was thinking, hey, hello, how do I know I'm me? What will happen if I get rid of everything that makes me me? All my justifications for wanting to be like this. You know, all my thoughts about what I can't do. All the things that I decided I have to fight against in this world. All my thoughts saying, oh, I cannot do this and I cannot do that. All of them got wiped out. I could write anything in my software, no? And that, my dear friend, seems to be quite frightening for most of us. कि भी क्या लिखेंगे? फिर से शुरू करना पड़ेगा सब कुछ. बड़ी हेल इतनी मुश्किल से ये दुनिया बनाई है, फाउंडेशन रखी है, कुछ तो है जो मैंने किया है, तो फिर उसको अप्रिशिएट तो करना शुरू कर लो फिर कम से कम. Thank you, Milan ji. And now let's not waste time and let go for it.
सर आधे घंटे से मेरे दिमाग का आप नूडल बना रहे हो. जैसे कुछ समझ में आता है आप इतनी जोर की कड़छी मारते हो, फिर सारी बात दिमाग से निकल जाती है. मैं क्या बोलूं? I'm totally confused. Just when I felt you probably trying to take us to the point of destroying yourself every night and recreating yourself, then you change into Bob Biswas. And I don't know, a lot of thoughts came in, but अभी मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. आपकी सारी बातें ऊपर घूम रही हैं.
अच्छा है ना? Because one of the biggest problems with our great mind is something is said, you conclude one thing. Now I have
something to be able to absorb the information.
That's the way we ऐसे ही सोचते हैं ना हम लोग. अब समझ में आ गया. That's the problem.
आज सवेरे meditation में my mind was totally confused and it was not being able to absorb. And you have reinforced the whole thing in today's session.
That's right, because we need to do bheja fry of our logical mind, because that's the cause of everything. See, who's the familiar you? The familiar thoughts, the familiar complaints, the familiar, this is the way it is in my life, etc., etc., etc. And on top of that, we will add conclusions also. See, what you want to notice one thing. I'm so happy you said this, by the way, because a lot of people might be experiencing it, and I'm so happy if they are, by the way, because we are just living life based upon one conclusion. See, how do you conclude? How do you understand? Most of us, how do we understand? We will take something and try to compare it with what we already know. Okay, and then say, acha, this is what it is. All right, but maybe it's not that, na? Because just imagine that somebody is teaching us some new mathematical concept. We have no idea about it from before. Now we are busy trying to fit it into कि अच्छा ये कौन सा है ये वो है. And when it doesn't fit into that, we'll say बकवास है मेरे को नहीं समझ में आता. So we've lost it. I mean, that's what I used to do. I don't know what you did, especially when it came to maths, because that was one thing. I had no referral from before, right? Now, had I been a mathematician in my past life, it would have all come back to me. Now they are talking about advanced calculus and now they are talking this. But they didn't even make an attempt to make me correlate it with everyday life things, you know. If they had done that, maybe it would be easy for me to understand. So let us say we built some understanding about something till now, correct? We'll not get into good and bad, but you notice that all your memories, they consist of experiences.
Yes.
Right? Complete experiences.
Yes.
Right? Means what did you feel? What was the sensation in your body? What were the smells that were there? What were the colors that were there? What were your thoughts that were there at that time? Okay. What were the beliefs that you made up at that time? What were the things that you concluded at that time? All of it is there. Now, we go to the next memory carrying the old one. Now, the new memory, which is the new experience that you're experiencing, you're not fully experiencing it now. Because you're always going to refer it with the earlier one. Are you getting that?
हाँ, वायरस नहीं क्लीन किया.
वो तो पुराना नहीं है ना, मतलब you're not experiencing today's or this moment's experience fresh. Never. So we are experiencing the now with the concept of the previous one. So we get a filtered version of the now. And so on and so on and so on and so on. And then at the end of the, at the end of say 40 years of your life, you're left with a conceptual version of who you are. And that's the recognizable you. Oh, so I'm Niti, professor, whatever it is that you consider yourself to be. Correct?
40 years में इतनी भी समझ नहीं आई थी.
You say, no, I'm a tough woman. I can fight with anybody. I can put up with a lot of shit, Meena Kumari to meri bachchi hai. Main to uski maa hu. Or whatever. Whatever you made up your mind, this is me, I know.
But sir, ये बात समझ में आ गई कि going into a cage is not my choice, but going into a cave and getting out of a cave is my choice.
Yeah, getting out of a cave is not... Where are you? That's most of us are. I mean, it's easy to say cave.
Cave से निकल गई. कम से कम गुफा के mouth पे तो आ गई हो.
हाँ, बस अब छलांग मारना बाकी है.
I hope so.
Most of us, see, if you are there on this morning conversations, the recognition itself that this is what's been happening to us gives you the power. The only thing which is holding us back is the unwillingness to leap out, because you come out to the mouth of the cave. Can you imagine? And there is mist all around. You can't see 1 foot ahead of you. So you're shit scared that I might be on top of a mountain. If I step out, I'll die. There may be you may be on level ground for all you know.
Utna faith hai.
That is called the leap of faith, right?
Sir, one more thing. Who knows, you may have wings.
Also. And who knows that there is a path which unfolds in front of you as you step out. But my point is that we are afraid to step out into the unfamiliar. Unfamiliar means that, well, familiar is what? Oh, me, Sukhdeepak, I know this, I can handle this I can do easily, so I'd like to remain in that. And jumping out and taking a leap of faith means God alone knows what's going to happen. Shit, I'll have to build it up all over again. Maybe that's why we're afraid of dying also. My good God, I'll have to start a life all over again as a caterpillar, who knows? Maybe I come back as an AIDS virus. Some guys are thinking I might be born as a woman. My God, Kunan, you might get born as a woman. You might have been a woman in so many lifetimes, you don't know. But people's fears are like that. My God, everybody will do dadagiri on me then. सारे लोग मेरे ऊपर अपना revenge ले लेंगे अगले जन्म में. Just all this is not coming in the conscious mind, right? Fear of the unknown, we all acknowledge that we have the fear of the unknown, right? Like just now, Vetri will say something nice, You might have wings, but they'll only unfold if you jump, right? But we'll not jump because we don't know what's going to happen. Something great might happen. How many things in life we are holding back from doing, Think in your life right now, how many things that you are not doing because you are you. You know you can do them, right? You know what I'm talking about, Rama? We know we can do this also, we can do that also. We can do whatever we want. All that we know, but we are not doing it. Why? Why are we not fulfilling our desires?
Self-created cage.
The biggest bar of your cage is what? The cage is open. You have to push the door and get out. That's all.
If I may add something to sir, this.
Yes, yes, definitely, sir.
This is for Niti ji. He said that Niti ji के निकाल लाया हूँ एक पिंजड़े से एक चिड़िया. निकाल लाया हूँ एक पिंजड़े से एक चिड़िया. अब उस चिड़िए के दिल से पिंजड़ा निकालना है.
वाह, उस चिड़िया के दिल से वो पिंजरा निकालना है.
There is a problem, sir.
Yeah.
And focus on that, then we are free. Freedom.
Thank you.
You know, there was an experiment. Have you heard that elephant story? So somebody went to the circus with his child, you know, the child came running saying, Papa, Papa, there's something wrong over here. So Papa said, what happened? He said, no, no, Papa, that elephant is going to run away. So there they went and they saw there was this huge elephant tied to a tree with a thin rope, very thin rope, you know. So Papa looked at it and said, yeah, what's wrong? He said, no, 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 Papa, see, they've made a mistake. So he points to the baby elephant who's tied with a chain, you know. So the boy says, okay, Papa, this chain should have been put on the elephant. They made the mistake. They put the rope on the elephant and chain on the baby elephant. So the father said, yeah, you're right. So they went to the ringmaster and said, what have you done? He said, nothing, sir. Once upon a time, this elephant was also a little baby. So we tied him with a chain and he tugged and he tugged and he tugged and he realized he cannot go anywhere. Now, even if we put a thread, he's not going to go anywhere. He still thinks the chain is there. And that chain is what we've made out of ourselves, na? So I am me, and the recognizable me is the biggest problem of them all. Because I don't want to give up being me. जैसे मेरी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, सब कुछ है, बट मैं ही रहूंगा. मैं दरिद्र नारायणन हूँ, दरिद्र नारायणन था और दरिद्र नारायणन रहूंगा, मगर मैं पहचानता तो हूँ अपने आप को कम से कम. I mean, is that what we want? I thought we can do a little wake up, shake up this morning, you know, about this Daridra Narayanan. And there are some people who pose to be very arrogant Daridra Narayanans. They are the worst ones. So Daridra Narayanan pretending that he is very great, you know.
Sir, in our case, we don't even need thread. Just a thread in the mind is sufficient.
No, one drawing, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, Lakshmana Rekha is there, no? It's just a line on the ground. Don't you dare get out of it, man. There are unknown dangers outside, you know. There's a terrible world out there. Tumko pata nahi hai how bad the world is. Blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to leave you now in the able hands of Mr. Rama and Vitri and, you know, Kunen and everybody else. Yeah, just dwell on it. That if you allow yourself not to be you for some time, what will become possible? What would you start dreaming about which you don't dream now? What are you not doing because you think you can't? No, I am me. Being me is more important than what I want to create in my life. Is being you more important than creating what you want in your life? I mean, I can talk to you a lot about being you, because even you is not you. It's a bloody pretense of you. Because you don't even like you. So you're trying to be a you which is not you.
Yeah, the default you is what we are talking about. The true you is different.
Yeah, so we don't even know and we dare not find out, you see. That's scary. Now, Niti is totally bheja fried. What are you doing?
मेरा भी भेजा फ्राई हो गया.
Sir, वही तो करना है.
Before you leave, sir, I am telling myself something which I want to share with you, and I wanted to thank you that ये रूह बरसों से दफन है, आपकी मदद का शुक्रिया. ये रूह बरसों से दफन है, आपकी मदद का शुक्रिया. बदन के मलबे से इसको जिंदा निकालना है. बदन के मलबे से इसको जिंदा निकालना है. ये रूह दफन है बरसों से, आपकी मदद का शुक्रिया. बदन के मलबे से इसको जिंदा निकालना है. थैंक यू सर.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. दोज आर लाइक रियली. सो मलवाई साहब आके आपके मलबे में से आपकी रूह को निकालने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
जिंदा निकालना है.
जिंदा ही है, रूह तो मरती ही नहीं है. जिंदा क्या है
जी?
रूह की कोई डेथ थोड़ी होती है.
ट्रू.
इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वी लिव इन फियर ऑफ डेथ. We are a entity which can never die. Never. Right? And we are an entity which has no form, no shape. And we are afraid of losing this form and shape that we've taken on temporarily. And we want it to be permanent. You see the beauty of it? That you have become and which you want to hold on to. You means me too. We want to hold on to this I. Right? Which is actually impermanent anyway. भाई ज्यादा से ज्यादा 200 साल जी लोगे इस शरीर में.
Yeah. And just another thought, sir, which Rumi said that someone asked God that I want to find you before I die. Then God replied, if you find me, you will never die.
Because you'll reach the eternal state anyway.
Yeah.
सर आज आपने इनकी कौन सी चाबी घुमा दी?
किन की चाबी?
कुछ नहीं चाहिए थी कि कौन सी चाबी घुमा दी. One after the other.
Yeah, because he's getting it, he's communicating with my mind today.
अरे वाह.
I'm getting it. Thank you.
Mental telepathy going on. Don't pretend that you don't get it.
बीच बीच में आप मुझे अच्छे से कंफ्यूज कर देते हो. अच्छे से.
जरूरी है ना.
आपको वैसे ही पता है कि थोड़ी सी कुंद बुद्धि है, थोड़ा सा समझ आता है, उसके बाद आप सारा वाइप आउट कर देते हो.
Madam, the biggest enemy that we all have is I know.
No, I don't know.
Because I'm doing it to myself. Every time I'm listening to Dan or Gary, my bloody beja gets fried.
आपका भी होता है?
हाँ, क्यों? मैं कोई खुदा हूँ?
नहीं, पर आपको तो हमसे बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है. आपका तो नहीं होना चाहिए.
Because you go to another level of I know, ना? Does it ever stop? आपको क्या लगता है मुझे डांट नहीं पड़ती है अपने घर में?
That is different.
That is different.
बहुत पढ़नी चाहिए.
So at the end of the day, if you are born in this body, you will be human, But sometimes to meet the expectations of others, you have to stop being you, You'll have to become a farishta, which we are. So here's the paradox of life. Yes, Mr. Vetri.
Sir, if you time permits, I would like to take 1 or 2 minutes.
Plenty of time, sir.
Thank you very much. Share a story which is from our Hindu scriptures, which depicts the topic of today's discussion, the identity. One particular Lord, I'm not taking the name, he is taking the avatar to take some purpose. He took the form of pig. Then he went and finished the purpose, but after that he didn't come back. He was just want to enjoy that identity. Then he went into some some kind of a dustbin, something kind of stuff, and he saw a beautiful, very fat pig, and it married. They lived very happily. They gave up so many children, and there were a lot of the dust they can eat. They were living, how the pig with kids live in the mud. They were living so happily. Then another god came, just put his sulaida, saying that you have come for some purpose, just go away. It is not your life. Then it realized, oh my God, how much I got used to this identity, and I'm just living so happily. Then it went away. Something like, it's something amazing, absolute higher subject you touched upon, sir. Like how much we dwell on this identity is the biggest culprit.
Yeah, and sometimes I wonder, look, suppose you took birth in this identity to experience something, then it's your own choosing, right? Even the story that you are choosing is yours. Then you might as well enjoy and live fully inside that story. No? That also we don't do. You know, if you say, okay, I only chose it, this is my drama, I chose to be in this drama, let me play my part 100%. That also we will not do. So then you recreate the drama, create something else. But to create something else, you will have to give up being you. Because the only common factor is in this drama is you. What do you think you are? Yes, Leena ji.
Yes, good morning, sir. And good morning, everybody. Sir, fear of death, I think इसलिए रहता है कि we see pains ना कि how people die and all. So वैसा कुछ ना हो इसका डर रहता है. हाँ?
Yeah, I understand that. Yeah, definitely. But जो उससे भी बड़ा डर होता है ना, the death of your identity.
हाँ हाँ.
जो मैंने अपने आप को बना रखा है, जिसमें मैंने इस पिंजरे में अपने आप को कैद करके रखा हुआ है, इतना किस चीज का, अपने ख्यालों का, अपनी भावनाओं का, अपनी मान्यताओं का, जो जिंदगी मैंने बनाई हुई है, फिर उसी की जिंदगी को लेके मैं कोसता रहता हूँ कि ऐसी जिंदगी क्यों है.
तो जैसे आपने बोला कि ये अपनी चॉइस है, तो फिर उसे एंजॉय करना चाहिए ना.
तो हम वो भी नहीं करते हैं ना.
हाँ, यस, शिकायत बहुत रहती है.
अगर जो है उसको हम पूरी तरह से अनुभव करना शुरू कर लें, then all of life will be an opportunity to live life fully. That's the whole purpose, you know. So either you get out of your default mode and create what you want, or you enjoy your default mode.
सर फिर कोई भी डिफिकल्टी है उसको एंजॉय कैसे कर सकते हैं?
तभी तो गाने आते हैं ना, वो हसीन दर्द दे जिसे ले, उसको कैसे एंजॉय कर लेते हैं. हसीन दर्द भी होते हैं ना, तो उनको हम हसीन दर्द क्यों बोलते हैं? See, हम जब रेजिस्ट करते हैं किसी चीज का, when we are resisting something, प्रतिरोध, right? There is no enjoy, not enjoy, right? It just is. If you are able to experience every experience without judging it, or judgment is only spoiling everything, na?
Yeah, yes.
So when some experience is happening, you are judging and saying, "Oh, this is very bad." So you feel bad. If you are experiencing same experience, you're saying, "Wow, fantastic." You know, sometimes lovingly people pinch you, isn't it? So do you get angry with it? If somebody else pinches you, then you get very angry with it. Pinch is pinch. It is your judgment which makes it good or bad, right?
Yeah, yes, yes.
And then you will justify, नहीं वो तो प्यार से pinch किया था. ओ नहीं उसने गुस्से से pinch किया था. But pinch is pinch, right? So anyway, be in the conversation. You are getting it, I think. Yes, Sagar. Good morning. Thanks to have you back. I thought you got so frightened by everybody कि आपने तो बोलना ही बंद कर दिया. कोई नहीं मारेगा तुमको यहाँ पे.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, everybody. Sir, if I just leave it what I am, think I am, and follow my dreams, then if I don't get anything at all from returns, if I don't get anything, or if I don't become anything, then
so what? At least you would have lived your life fully, no?
Yes, sure.
See, you will. There is no way you will not get, if as long as your intention is there. Well, that's the law of life. If you give your 100%, you will definitely get something. Maybe not from there, you will get it from somewhere else. I know that because in my life, I've been doing giving. And sometimes you don't get from the same source, you get from somewhere else, but you certainly do get.
Yes, sir.
You will get whatever you open to receive. So, no. You will get what you are going to get.
Okay, sir.
When you play a game, is there a guarantee you will win the game?
Never. It's never or never will be a guarantee that I will win the game.
Okay, so does it stop you from playing the game 100%?
No, sir.
Why do you play 100%? मजा आता है ना?
मजा आता है, enjoy करता हूँ.
तो फिर life is also a game ना? फिर live it 100% ना?
Yes, sir.
कोई गारंटी है? Win और lose की परिभाषा किसने बनाया?
मैंने, समाज ने, outside everything.
ठीक है, फिर देखो क्या होता है. Play your game 100%. I mean, if you keep on living out of fear, oh, will I win? Will I score a point? Winning or losing is not in your hand ever, anyways. The only thing in your hand is doing 100%. You know that very well. What is the power of your hand?
Yes, sir.
So give it to 100% in life. All right. So play the game of life 100%. That's all we can do, boss. And you're lucky. You've got a long life ahead of you to experiment, you know. Yes. You can have your goals, you can have your objectives, but play 100%. Don't play out of a fear that I will lose. Don't play कि oh नहीं होएगा तो क्या होगा? कुछ नहीं होगा. फिर कर लेना और.
Yes, sir.
You know, one thing I learned from one guy, he has no arms, he has no legs, right? His videos are there on the YouTube, you can see, you know. And that guy says he can do anything. He can do swimming, he can climb a table without any assistance. No hands, no arms. From here, no hands, okay? No legs, he only has the torso, that's all.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter how many times you fall, you know.
Yes, sir.
How many times you can get up after you fall?
Right, sir.
Try it out, it works. I have.
Thank you, sir.
If I can do it, so can you.
So if I can do it, sir, if I really can do it, sir, I think whole humanity can do it. I find myself very.
Just do it.
Thank you, sir.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you very much. Yeah, I know everybody should go to this Dr. Neelam's profile on LinkedIn. What an amazing profile, I say. She's a genius type of a lady. So give me your email ID, Neetiji. I will give it to Neelam. She wants to add you on LinkedIn. Maybe she'll invite you to America. All right. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow morning for another wonderful session of Empowering Morning Conversations. Bye-bye.